Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to explore Power BI services. If you're new to Power BI, don't worry, we have created a complete watch list that will guide you step by step, where we explain everything you need to know. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click on the above icon to start watching from scratch. In the previous video, we had published a dashboard on the web. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. Once we publish the report, we will get the similar web page, and this is the dashboard which we had created. It included 2 pages. Report 1 is summary and other is detail. Again, we will go back to our web. We can see here we have the same 2 pages. Report 1 is summary and other is detail. It is exactly the same which we had created in our dashboard. Over here we can click on any slicer and the report will be updated the same way it does in Power BI desktop. For example, we will change the date slicer and now you can see the below visuals are updated. We will select the country Canada from the slicer. Now we can see all the results are filtered based on our country. So this was about our Power BI service. Now the question comes to mind, if we have a Power BI desktop, then why to use Power BI service? What is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI services? So let me find out for you. Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service are 2 distinct components of the Power BI platform, each designed to serve different purposes. Power BI Desktop is a Windows-based application used to create, analyze, and share interactive visualizations and reports. It allows users to connect to multiple data sources, transform and clean data, and create data models that can be used to build visualizations such as charts, tables, and maps. Power BI Desktop provides advanced data modeling and data shaping capabilities, making it ideal for data analysts and business intelligence professionals who need to work with complex data sets. On the other hand, Power BI Service, also known as Power BI Online, is a cloud-based platform that allows users to publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. It is a web-based application that provides access to the reports and dashboards created in Power BI Desktop, as well as other features such as data exploration, data discovery, and data governance. Power BI Service allows users to share reports and dashboards with others and collaborate on them in real time. Additionally, it provides features for managing data access, security, and user roles. In summary, Power BI Desktop is used to create visualizations and reports, while Power BI Service is used to share, collaborate, and manage these reports and dashboards online. So this was about the Power BI service. We have a complete detail section in our upcoming videos where we will be exploring in detail about how to export the report from Power BI to Excel, PPT, PDF, and how share the report with your colleagues and how to give the privilege to them. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out your learning.